Oh, look at that. My wife is doing smoothie packs. Woo! That's his name. Who's it from? Who?
Uncle Sean and Auntie Amie.
That is right. Hold on, buddy. Let's get some scissors or something.
Look at Mama. You okay? Here. Let me take it.
Hold this for a sec. Hold on, bud. Dad's gonna. Oh, you got it. You got a good handle on it. Here, let me just cut the tape a little bit, bud. Please. Thank you. Looks like Buddy's excited.
You got your Max D on.
And your Max D shirt. Excuse me. Oh, Uncle got that thing secure. Maybe Auntie did. Hey?
That was Uncle Sean.
Oh, was it Uncle Sean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Look at how excited he
It's a
is.
present right there. It's a present.
Ooh.
It's already a present.
What do we got in there? It's a card. There you go.
Look, baby. Look at Mama. Uh-huh.
Oh, there's a cut right there.
Yeah. Perfect.
Wait is it? What? There's something there.
Rip it.
Birthday patrol. All
Aw.
paws on deck.
Nice.
Time to party, time to play, time to wish you a happy birthday. Says Connor, wishing you the happiest birthday, nephew. Love
Aw.
Uncle Sean and Auntie Amie.
Nice.
Very nice.
You're gonna have to say thank
Wow.
you.
What? Wow.
Nice.
Those are cool. Hold on, Dad's got the scissors here. Let's get the scissors in handy here. There's one. Hold on, buddy.
Oh, you're a lucky boy. Those are cool.
These are cool.
Yeah.
There you go. There's one.
You don't have those ones.
Nope. Say thank you, Uncle. Thank you, Auntie. Look at the camera.
Yep.
Look at the camera. Say thank you.
Hey, Dad. Look at that.
Rook it. Okay.
Cool.
Cool. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, he seems very happy with that. Thank
So
you, brother.
excited.
Yep. Love you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.